Good afternoon here in London. I'm with Bev and his family. Maglalakad kami. We're in Hornchurch in London. It's a small, like a countryside almost. Dito na sa London. And this is where they reside. Kaya very tahimik. Yan. There's Jasmine and Jemima walking. And we are heading to the bus station and we're gonna do sightseeing again for this afternoon. Ha? Nandyan. So, let's go. Ganito yung typical means of transportation nila. Very accessible naman. Kung if you get used to how everything works here and where places are, makakasurvive ka dito with a train ride, bus ride, ganun. So although they have cars, parang mas convenient yung pagsakay na lang ng train tsaka bus. So ayun, we will go do sightseeing.
If it's not heavy, bakit ako doon sa baba? Sana ako siya. You can have it like this. Or baka yung parts.
Thank you.
Okay, malayo ko yung stop na. Dito? 5 stops. Mabilis lang. So, let's wait there. 5 minutes.
Kakababa ng bus. Tapos sakay?
Yeah, train.
Yeah.
This is
Train.
Pakita natin ito mamaya.
I promote.
Promote natin sa mga vlogger.
Yeah, link down below, charot.
Just my train.
Tayo dyan.
We're going to Tower Hill.
Away from here.
Elm Park to Tower Hill.
And
So
then
La Mamita are all the way here in Hammersmith.
Oh my.
1 hour.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
So we're going back.
What does it mean when it has a circle? Because this just has like that.
Oh, those are changes.
Changes,
So
okay.
more than one station.
Okay.
More than one train line.
Oh.
So
But this
for
one
example,
only
Stepney
has
Green is only on the district line.
Mm.
But Mile End has the district line, but also a central line. Multiple train lines.
Oh wow, there's loads up St. James Park. St. James Park. St. James.
Oh, you need to have a photo with the iconic sign.
I know, like every
The
time.
London Underground sign.
And
It's very British.
Yes.
This is Elm Park.
What is it?
This is a District Line train to Ealing Broadway. The next station is Dagenham East.
Is that?
Okay.
Find the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Tower Hill.
You take the lift.
Unless you need a lift, you know?
So we are here at Tower Hill. We are gonna go to the Tower of London and the Tower Bridge. So sabi ni Jenna kanina, it's a lot of like misinformation. Tower Bridge and the London Bridge are two separate things and located at two separate locations. So ayun. We are here now and we're just waiting for the rest na mag-exit. Sakay kasi sa lift sila mother dear. But the girls are here.
Because before the castles were made out of wood, William the Conqueror decided, oh, they burned down too quickly, so he started building castles out of stone.
Oh yeah, that burger and chips.
Daddy, can I have some water, please? I'm gonna go upstairs.
Oh, look at that.
So this is a good view of the castle.
A better. Oh, this is the ano diba, clock. Better view up there.
Yeah, I'll take a picture of you guys up there.
Tower balls. That's the souvenir shop. Yun. So now we're gonna go up Costa Coffee. They're upstairs getting some refreshments. Tapos lakad ulit.
Look at that. Thank you.
Sobrang daming tao dun, oh. A lot of people. There's a lot of people.
Yeah, that's it's all, there's lots
Yeah.
of eating like food.
Ah, okay.
Like that. Well, we're actually going to go onto that side.
Yeah.
That's where we're going.
Can we quickly go down there?
That's where we're going. We're going to walk around the castle to go towards the bridge.
Oh.